Okay, hi Kira.
Hi.
Where are you going today?
To school.
What kind of school?
Kindergarten.
Wow, and what are you wearing?
My uniform.
Cool, and are those new shoes?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hold it.
Milo, you can't push the button. What do you have to say about the kindergarten?
I'm gonna see my friend there and his name is Xander.
Yeah, and how do you feel about that?
Good.
And what about your teacher?
Her name is Miss Freeman.
Okay. And how does she seem to you?
Good. Nice.
Nice, good. All right, well, you're a big girl. We'll talk to you again after school.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Bye. I made some new friends in kindergarten, and Xander was my class, but I already know him.
Yeah? And what was the best part of today?
I colored at school. That's not my picture. I just colored it just when I was about to eat dinner, and I showed all of my friends, some of my friends, my kitty thingy.
What is that? What's your kitty thingy?
You know, the book.
Oh, the book. Yeah, your notebook. Cool.
Where's, Mommy?
Yeah, do you have homework today?
No.
Okay.
Okay, stop it.